A night guard kept changing patrol time every night. The reason was a metallic sound heard at 2:40 in the early morning. The same memo appeared 12 times in the patrol log. Metallic friction sound noted. So the corridor microphone log was checked first. The audio waveform spiked exactly at 2:40. So the camera timeline was compared with the same time frame. No person appeared in the camera. Instead, the metal bracket of a wall display case moved slightly. The cause was the automatic ventilation system starting at night. Temperature change expanded the metal and created the sound. They changed patrol time and tightened the bracket again. If a similar sound appears, check equipment timer logs first. That's all for today's story. We'll be back every day with a new one. If you want to catch tomorrow's story too, please like and subscribe.